In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automations in Monday.com. Fast and easy. We all know how crucial it is to streamline tasks and stay efficient in the workplace or any collaborative project. So let's dive right into how you can make your workflows more efficient with simple automation. First, you'll want to navigate to your board on Monday.com. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see an option labeled Automate. Go ahead and click on that. This step is vital as it takes you to the heart of all things automation available on the platform, setting you on the path to effortlessly automate repetitive tasks. After clicking Automate, you're given access to a variety of automation recipes. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are these recipes? Well, consider them as preset templates or step-by-step instructions that can perform specific functions for you. They are designed to save time and optimize your workflow by performing tasks automatically based on certain triggers or conditions that you define. Take a moment to browse through these automation recipes. There are numerous options tailored for different needs. As you explore, think about what could enhance your workflow or ease your daily task load. Perhaps you want to set a reminder every time a new task is added, or automatically notify your team when a deadline is approaching. The possibilities are vast, so it's worth exploring what's available. Once you've found a recipe that fits your requirements, it's time to dive a bit deeper. Click on the recipe of your choice to customize its conditions and actions. This is where you make the automation truly your own. You'll have the opportunity to define exactly when and how you want these tasks to be automated. Remember, this step is crucial as it allows you to tailor the automation to meet your specific needs. Whether you want to adjust the timing or modify the triggers, you have full control. Take your time here to ensure everything aligns perfectly with your workflow. Finally, when you're satisfied with your customized automation setup, you'll need to implement it. To do this, simply click Add to Board. Doing so activates your newly configured automation, integrating it seamlessly into your board's operation. From this point on, you can sit back and let Monday.com do the heavy lifting, automatically handling the tasks you've set in motion, thus freeing up time for you and your team to focus on more strategic activities. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up an automation on Monday.com. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance productivity and keep your team on top of essential tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to try out different recipes and see how they can further optimize your work processes. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.